Good day everyone. Today, we will discuss smart homes and voice commerce or V-commerce. Smart homes use internet-connected device controlled through apps or voice assistants. Voice commerce allows users to buy product using voice commands through AI assistants like Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. We will cover voice AI automated replenishment, consumer trust, and the Philippine context.
Hi, this is John Leander and this is my report. Voice AI uses natural language processing or NLP for short to understand spoken commands and complete online purchases. Instead of typing, users can simply speak their requests. It offers faster, hands-free, and more accessible shopping. However, voice assistant must accurately recognize different accents and speech patterns to avoid transactions errors.
Hi, I am Jardy Guzman. Our next topic is automated replenishment. This feature allows smart appliances to automatically order supplies when they detect that essential items are running low. For example, a smart refrigerator can reorder groceries, a smart printer can purchase a new ink cartridges, and a smart coffee machine can buy coffee capsules. Automated replenishment helps save time, prevents shortages of important household items, and makes daily life more convenient. However, users should regularly monitor these automatic purchases to avoid unnecessary spending, duplicate orders, or buying products they no longer needed. This ensures both convenience and better control over expenses.
My name is Christopher Shane A. Sarmiento. The topic is all about consumer trust, privacy, and data protection. Smart homes collect voice recordings and personal data, raising privacy and security concerns. Consumers worry about hacking and misuse of information. To protect users, companies use encryption, two-factor authentication, and user verification and privacy controls. Building trust is essential for the wider adoption of voice commerce. Example of voice recording privacy. A family uses a smart speaker like the Amazon Echo to control lights and order groceries. One day, they realize the device stores some of their voice recordings. They become concerned that strangers or hackers might access their conversation. To address this, they review and delete their voice recordings and enable privacy settings. Example number 2. Two-factor authentication. A customer uses Google Assistant to order food before completing the purchase. The app sends a verification code to the customer's phone. The order only proceeds after entering the code. This extra step helps prevent unauthorized purchases. Example 3. User verification. A child says, "Buy a new video game," to the family's smart speaker. Since voice purchasing is protected by a PIN code or voice recognition, future the device asks for verification first. The purchase is blocked because the child cannot provide the correct PIN. And last example is data encryption. When a customer orders a product using a voice assistant, their payment information is encrypted. This means that data is converted into a secure code while being transmitted online, making it difficult for hackers to steal sensitive information. And that's all.
My name is Shansi Amisula. This is my report. In the Philippines, smart homes and voice commerce are growing due to the better internet access and smartphones use. For example, some families use Google Nest or Amazon Alexa to control lights, fans, or TVs. Using voice commands, some shoppers also use voice assistant on their smartphones to search for products or add items to their online shopping carts on the platforms like Shopee and Lazada. However, high device costs, limited adoption, and privacy concerns remain challenge, especially in rural areas where internet connection may be slower. As technology continues to improve, their innovation can make shopping faster and more convenient, while highlighting the importance of protecting personal information and using smart device responsibly. Thank you.
Is Mar Emil Valencia. This is the summary of the report of Group 4. Smart homes and voice commerce are transforming
shopping by using voice AI and automation to make transactions faster, more convenient, and hands-free. Features like automated replenishment improve efficiency, but privacy, security, and consumer trust remain important concerns. In the Philippines, these technologies are steadily growing under successful adoptions. Depends on balancing innovation with responsible and secure use. That's all. Thank you.